Yeah. I will be making a Scratch game inside a Scratch game. Yeah, I love Scratch. Scratch for real, for real. Anyway, focus. Okay, so the game we will be using is called Scratch Emulator version 0. Blah blah blah. And it kind of freaks me out. Literally. Griffpatch made all of this in Scratch, and it can do literally everything Scratch can. I'm going to test a few pre-made games before I get to making my own. First one is going to be this super cool trampoline game. I'm not sure how they did this, but it looks super good. The movement is super good, and I have nothing to complain about, especially since this was made inside a game inside Scratch. Anyway, enough of playing. I am just going to fast forward the boring bit so that you don't have to suffer through all the pain of me taking hours to make a simple game. Here, I just made simple motion because I'm too lazy to do anything more complicated. By the end of the day, this is a super cool game and totally recommend you try it out. If you want to see me make a more complex game in it, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.